It's Abigail and Lima's first Ferris wheel.
I'm so excited right now. It's ours. It's ours now. It's ours now.
Yeah, it's your turn now. You excited? Careful, Abigail.
Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I know. What? So sad. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. What's
Okay, slowly. Go in now. Slowly go in. Then sit down. Come on, move. Move, Lima, move.
Okay, sit down.
Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited, Liumel? Liumel, don't remove the because it's cold. Bella, are you excited?
It's amazing.
Are you excited?
We're moving. Oh god. I'll take you and bring it to you.
Wow. Wow, that's Birmingham.
And still we are still going.
Wow, we're going
If
on.
you fall right there, I will be dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will be dead when you fall there.
I'm holding this.
That's okay. You will not.
Stop.
You will
Look
not.
at Birmingham. Whoa, look here. What do you want? Do not point your finger. I'll live there. The mic you get.
And Bella.
Can you take a video of me?
Yes, I'm taking a video. Wait a
Mama, can you
minute.
take a video of me?
I am taking a video, Abigail. Don't worry.
Wow.
Remain seated. Don't stand up. You should not be standing up. That's why you need to hold your hat because it might fall. Yeah.
One.
I'm in the middle because I don't want to sit next.
Uh,
Sila ginatanaw na.